Ready to unlock a world of mobile games and a vibrant community with Taptap? First, let's head to the Taptap website or the App Store on your phone to download the app. Android users search on third-party stores. Once you found it, tap the install button to begin downloading. Once downloaded, tap the app icon to open it. Once the app opens, you'll be presented with a welcome screen and the option to sign up for a new account. Look for the sign up or register option, often a button located centrally or at the bottom. Tap on it, and you'll begin the registration process. You'll likely be given a few sign-up alternatives: creating an account using your email address, your phone number, or even connecting through your social media accounts. Let's pick to sign up with email. This typically involves entering your email address. Next up, you'll need to provide your email, create a strong password, and confirm that same password. After entering your email address and your password, you'll select your region. In this screen, there should be a checkbox to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Tap this checkbox. Then tap Next. Then, you will need to complete your verification. This often involves a quick test to make sure you're not a robot, such as sliding a slider to match a shape, or providing a confirmation code sent to your provided email. Once you pass that verification, your account should proceed to the next step. You'll then be prompted to create your Taptap profile. This requires you to select and fill in the required information, such as your desired username, and usually providing an avatar. Customize your profile with your display information. Once you've completed all the relevant fields and filled the required details, tap the Create Account or Finish button. Your Taptap account is now successfully created.